Earth, the only life-sustaining planet in our solar system. Yet throughout its history, our world has been a planetary punching bag.
Anything that crosses the orbit of Earth could one day slam into the Earth.
At this very moment, violent celestial heavyweights roam the universe and threaten to deal the Earth a knockout blow.
The power would be like setting off the whole world's armament at one time. It would be like standing next to Hiroshima all over the world.
Everything in us would get ripped apart, and your body would fly off to infinity.
But some scientists and former astronauts are not willing to go down without a fight. They're racing to track down these cosmic killers before they trigger Armageddon. Earth shimmers like a sapphire jewel in our solar system. We go about our days unaware that, in the far reaches of space, trouble could be headed our way.
Our solar system is a lot like an amusement park. Earth and most of the other objects carve predictable paths around the sun. Normally, everything is calm and smooth. But at times, things get chaotic and violent. Earth can be slammed by space rocks, zapped by deadly space weather, jolted, jostled, and threatened by the object's energy and forces of the cosmos.
The Earth is on a cosmic thrill ride, one that often involves extreme danger.
When you're moving fast and on a predetermined path, you hope nothing crosses it because there's nothing you can do.
Nicaraguan border goes right down along.
Former astronaut Rusty Schweikert knows firsthand how dangerous celestial objects can be. In 1969, he piloted the lunar module during the Apollo 9 mission. Now, Schweikert is ready for more than a cruise through the cosmos. He's sounding alarms about the dangers of one particular asteroid named Apophis, which got too close for comfort in 2004.
It immediately got everybody's attention because the probability of impact was quite high. In fact, it was higher than any impact probability that we had ever seen up until that time.
And Schweikert has a terrifying real-life example of just how damaging an impact from an asteroid even smaller than Apophis could be. June 30th, 1908, 7:15 a.m. An object half the size of a football field plunged down from space at around 34,000 miles per hour and produced a stream of fiery gas behind it. Within minutes, the fireball entered our atmosphere and violently exploded above Siberia's Tunguska forest. It became the largest explosion on Earth in modern human history. The blast sparked heat waves, which torched 80 million trees in an area over half the size of Rhode Island. Fortunately, no one died as a direct result of the explosion, because it was in a thinly populated area.
If that asteroid hit just a few hours later, it would not have hit Siberia, it would have hit over Europe. And if that had exploded midair over any of the major cities of Europe, 1 million people would have died like that.
For the last 100 years, the Tunguska explosion has been shrouded in controversy. Today, many scientists agree an asteroid caused the blast. Incredibly, it never even impacted the ground. Rather, it exploded 5 miles above Siberia's frozen ground.
A small stony asteroid can't survive the plunge through Earth's atmosphere. When it smacks into the lower atmosphere, doing about 50,000 miles an hour, it's like an egg smashing onto concrete.
The blast over